Don't know how the signal's going to go in this section of road. But now, normally don't do too well here. But if the stream dies, okay? If the stream dies, know that I'm very thankful you came to watch me. Thank you for the bits. Thank you for the subs. Thanks for the follow. Thank you for joining the Discord. And I'll see you at my home. If stream dies now, I'm not starting it back up. Because there's only half an hour for me to drive home. You know? So if it goes, stream dies, it dies.